Thank you for your choice of our VELTOP CLASSIC 4. The protection is composed of the following pieces: a basket structure with its windscreen, a pair of fiberglass poles, a pair of fixing pieces, one canopy, and an assembling notice. Start with the assembling of the fixing pieces onto the handlebar of the bicycle. The far end of the fixing piece with the biggest diameter must be screwed on the handlebar. The other end is meant to receive the basket structure. Then put in place the basket structure on the upper part and tighten slightly the screws. Set upright the fixing pieces to an angle of about 45 degrees. Then rescrew in turn all screws. Revolve the rear mirror and tighten the screw to avoid its moving. To push up the windscreen, unscrew the two tightening buttons, remove the tie holding the windscreen, and then move it aside from the structure. The two film protecting the windscreen can be removed now. Bring in the two poles sideways. Then insert the pole into the fold of the canopy without a zip. Put in place the second pole up to the bottom of the fold with a zip. Then push up the zip. Connect the Velcro of the canopy to the top of the windscreen. Revolve the expanders on the side of the windscreen up. Then introduce the expander under the Velcro and connect the Velcro of the side panels with the windscreen. To optimize the protection, adjust the height of the windscreen in such a way that the canopy is as near as possible to the head. To assure a good position of the canopy, make sure that the basket is parallel to the ground. During the summer period, you can choose either removing the system of the windscreen with its canopy, or removing the canopy and pushing down the windscreen. Clean regularly the windscreen to make it easy for the raindrops to roll down. Use only a soft cloth or humid cotton to avoid the scratching of the windscreen. After some weeks of use, rescrew all the screws of the windscreen structure with the Allen key. The VELTOP CLASSIC 4 is compatible for standard handlebars with 25.4 mm and equally for oversized handlebars with 31.8 mm by using the long and joint screws.